Crypto just hit ludicrous speed, and Kaspa is leading the charge. While Ethereum drowns in congestion and Bitcoin crawls like a fossil, Kaspa just launched a network upgrade that changes everything. We're talking real proof of work, 10 blocks per second, confirmed transactions faster than your internet can load meme. And that's just the beginning. Smart contracts are next. Stablecoins are coming. And if you're sleeping on Kas, this might be your biggest regret of the bull run. Let's break it all down. Kaspa didn't just upgrade. It exploded past its previous limitations. On May 5th, the Crescendo hard fork officially went live, and it wasn't just a minor bump in performance. This was a full-blown leap. With Crescendo, Kas now produces 10 blocks per second on a real proof-of-work chain. No L2 tricks, no roll-ups, no sidechains, just pure throughput on Layer 1. Let that sink in. Bitcoin crawls at 1 block every 10 minutes. Ethereum? Around 12 seconds. Even Solana can't compete at this speed on a consistent basis. Kaspa is now the fastest proof-of-work chain in existence, 6,000x faster than Bitcoin, to be exact. And it's not just theory. The network's already pushing 300,000 transactions per day, confirmed faster than some browsers can load Google. If speed and scalability are the new battlegrounds of crypto, Kaspa didn't just show up. It kicked the door down. You know, a blockchain is cooking when its block confirmations are faster than you can refresh your wallet. Kaspa's new block Explorer shows Crescendo blocks dropping like machine gun fire. Sometimes multiple blocks within the same second. We're seeing confirmations under a second consistently. Transactions are final in moments, with no mempool drama, no Layer 2 waiting games, and absurdly low fees. It's so fast, one user said he triple-checked the fee just to believe it. This is what true scalability looks like, and it's just the beginning. But with great power comes centralization risk. Let's talk wallets, specifically MEXC. Right now, MEXC controls over 1 million Kas tokens across a single wallet, making up more than 4% of the total supply. And that's just what's visible. Some estimate up to 5% when you include smaller wallets. This isn't MEXC money. It's yours, user funds parked on an exchange. But by holding Kaspa on MEXC, users are handing over price control to a centralized player. And MEXC has been known to suspend withdrawals during key price swings. So here's the call to action from the community. Get your Kaspa off MEXC. If we want fair price discovery and a decentralized supply, we need to move tokens into wallets we control. Not your keys, not your coins. Kaspa isn't trying to be another meme coin or Layer 1 clone. It's aiming to be something deeper, a distributed economic trust layer. That means not just validating transactions, but validating content, communication, and value on the internet. It's the infrastructure beneath the surface, asset tokenization, smart contracts, ZK proofs, and eventually decentralized identity. Think of Kaspa as the trust net, an invisible layer that makes the rest of the web verifiable, secure, and fast. And if you're wondering how fast, remember, we're already at 10 blocks per second on Layer 1. Now that Crescendo is live, the next big focus? Smart contracts. Kaspa's devs are already laying the groundwork for this. And when it arrives, it won't be just another DeFi playground. It'll be a speed-optimized, low-fee ecosystem. Imagine sending USDT or USDC at near light speed, with no gas anxiety, no congestion, no need for Layer 2s. Stablecoins on Kaspa will open the door to payment apps, microtransactions, and entirely new business models. Ones that just aren't viable on slow, expensive chains. Kaspa's architecture is now fast enough to support this. The next question is, who will build it first? Now let's dive into the 3-day chart, and the picture is clear. Kaspa is coiled for a breakout. We recently broke out of a long-term descending wedge, one of the most bullish reversal patterns in technical analysis. Price is currently consolidating just under the 0.236 Fibonacci level at 9 cents, and holding that zone could ignite the next move. Looking at volume via VRVP, there's a clear liquidity gap above 11 cents, which matches the 0.382 fib. If we break that, we could target the 0.5 level at 13 cents, then the 0.618 at 15 cents, and eventually a strong resistance around 20 cents. But if momentum continues, your green circles are calling 30 cents and 45 cents. And with bullish fundamentals plus post-upgrade hype, Kaspa could reach those zones quicker than expected, especially if a Binance listing comes into play. Let's be honest, if you're just finding out about Kaspa now, you're not early. But you're also not late, because the real wealth is built by those who understand the narratives before they explode. That's exactly why I wrote my ebook DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's a no-fluff, beginner-friendly guide to staking, yield farming, airdrop hunting, portfolio building, and how to actually earn in this market without chasing pumps. If you're serious about crypto and want to turn your knowledge into income, grab it for just $4.99. Link in the first pinned comment. It's less than a latte and can save you months of costly mistakes. Kaspa isn't trying to be your bank. It's not trying to promise the world with vaporware. It's just delivering, block by block, transaction by transaction. Fast, final, real. From the Crescendo upgrade to the incoming smart contracts, this chain is proving it belongs in the conversation, not as a speculative asset, but as infrastructure for the next era of crypto. But the window to get in before the crowd? It's shrinking. So subscribe if you want the alpha early. Destroy the like button if you're holding CAS. Drop a comment with your price prediction and other projects you want to see here. And don't miss my last video. It breaks down another under-the-radar altcoin about to pop. Links in your screen. See you tomorrow.